Hi guys, Anil here. Let's start today's topic, that is pattern programming. Right? Pattern programming. What do you mean by pattern programming? Right? Means we'll train different type of patterns using Java. Right? What are different patterns? Like we have left right triangle patterns, right triangle patterns. We have then we have number patterns, we have character patterns. Like this, a lot of patterns are there. So how to solve those type of patterns, we'll see. Right, to do that, let me create one class here now. Let me create here one class and give the class name here pattern programming. Right, you can give any name and then check this public static void main method and click on finish. Yeah, let's finish. Right, so let me tell you one thing here. First we'll solve this left right angle patterns. Right, what exactly the left right angle pattern? See, the structure of this left right angle pattern is like this. Right, so what will we do? In the first point, first row will do 1 star, then print 2 star, then print 3 star, then 4 star, then 5 star. Like this we'll print till the limit. Right, yeah, suppose we'll print a 5-star triangle. So here the maximum limit is 5, so till 5 star will print. Right, so let's do in Eclipse. I go to Eclipse and through Java programming we'll solve this pattern. Right, first of all, let me create a starting method where we write our pattern. Right, static void, let me give this method to m1. Right, so here and also here let me pass this argument. This will be a input to this programming. Right, suppose I'll pass the value. Right, now for every patterns loop is required. Right, here also we'll use for loop. One loop we'll use for the like maintaining the rows, another inside the same for loop we'll use another for loop for maintaining the columns. Right, so let me do that now. For loop int I equal to 1, because you will start from the 1, I less than equal to x. X is the maximum limit. Till x will execute this for loop, then I plus plus. Right, now let me create the next the inner for loop. Here I'll maintain first stars, printing the stars. Here int I'll take j variable, j is equal to 1 and j less than equal to I, means as per the I value we'll print the star here, then j plus plus. Right, yeah, now let me print this star using system.out.println method. Let me do that now. System.out.println, yeah, here use star to print and remove this ln. I don't want to use print ln method. I want to use this only print method, because for each for loop inner for loop execution I don't want to go to the next line. Right, that's why here I don't want to use this ln method. Right, let's use this only print methods. Right, so this inner for loop is only meant for printing the stars. Here I am using println method because in the first for loop, once this is completed I'll go to the next line. Right, now let me call this in our main method and we'll see what exactly the output, whether we are getting the expected one or not. Here I'm passing 5 as the argument, and let's run this program and see what is the output now. Run our Java applications. Wait, yeah, we got the left right triangle patterns. Right, it's this is the pattern we are expecting. Right, so here we can change the argument to 10 and we can get a better like big one. Right, yeah, now you can see. Right, it's a big one. It starts from one single star, then it ends in 10 star. So that is the left right triangle pattern actually. Here let me mention here, this fast for loop we are using for maintaining our rows. Right, for maintaining our pattern rows. And the next one, right, inner for loop we are using for maintaining our columns. Yeah, printing the stars. Right, yeah, star as per the row values. So as per row values means, suppose row is equal to 1 star, print 1 star, row is equal to 2, print 2 star, like that. Right, and this is the pattern, and I hope you got this pattern. Right, how to write the code using for loop. Right, okay, now next move on to the next pattern, that is right angle pattern, right? So how it will looks like, let me draw this pattern. Put a horizontal line here, then you join both the points, right? So this is the right angle pattern. Like this we have to do. First we have to print 1 star, then 2 star, then 3 star, like that. But here we have to maintain the space, right? Then star. But here we are starting in the left rectangle, we are starting from the pattern itself. But here we'll start from the space, direct from the space, right? So here see, suppose it's a 5 star. So in the first point I need to put 4 space, then 1 star, then next 3 space, 2 star, then 2 space, then 3 star, then 1 space, 4 star, then means no space, 5 star, right? This way we can achieve this pattern, right? Yeah, I hope you got the pattern, right? How to do that. To perform this action, let me go to the Eclipse, and here let me create one more static method. So in this method we'll write the program for right angle pattern, right here, and this is static, yeah. Static. Here let me pass the argument like how we are passing in the first method also, here into I. Now here what's happened, here we'll maintain 3 for loop, right? 1 for loop for maintaining the rows and 2 more inner for loops. So the first inner for loop will print the space, and the second inner for loop will print the stars, right? Yeah, now do that. Int I equal to 1, I less than equal to y, I plus plus, right? So then write the for loop for the space. For here we'll take int j equal to y, right? I need to maintain the space first, right? Int j is equal to y, and then j greater than equal to I, then j minus minus, right? So in the first for loop, in the first inner for loop, if whenever we will trigger, suppose it's a 5 star, it will print 5 space, right? And here let me remove this ln method. I'll use only print method here. After that let me write the loop for the printing star, right? Here again I'll start int I, not here k is equal to 1, k less than equal to I. As per the I value I'll be printing the stars, then k plus plus, right? Now let me call this print method inside this. Here I'll print star, and after that here also remove this ln, right? So after that next call this println method to go to the next line, right? This is the programming for right angle patterns, right? Again now you just call it and we'll see the output. Here change to m2 method. What's happening? Yeah, m2 method. So right now let me call this function to check how is the pattern, right? I think we got this, right? Yeah, this is the first one, left right angle, and this is the second one, right angle patterns, right? I hope you got this, right? Yeah. Next we'll solve another pattern, that is equilateral triangle pattern, right? How to print an equilateral pattern using Java, right? Before that let me show you what is equilateral triangle, what is the structure and how it looks like. Here let me draw this. Yeah, the equilateral triangle will looks like this, right? First it will be 1 star, then 2 star, then 3 star, then 4 star. It will go on like that till the limit reached, right? Let me do that now here. But here we have made the program for right angle pattern, right? So the same logic will work for our equilateral triangle. So I'll give the logic here. Let me copy this same program and paste over here, right? And here let me change the method name to m3, change to m3. Yeah, then here what exactly we need to do, here just add one more space here in the second inner loop. If you'll add this space, it will work like it will print the equilateral triangle, right? Let me call this and we'll see in action. This is M3 method. Right now let me trigger our program. Yeah, now you can see, right, we have printed equilateral triangle, right? Yeah, here there is no we did not apply any other logic, just same logic whatever we use for right triangle, only one space you have maintained over here, right? Due to this space it became distributed and it became one equilateral triangle. Now let me tell you next pattern, that is number pattern will do. How the number pattern will be: first it will be 1, then it will be not 1 2 2 2, then 3 3, then 4 4 4, so on. It will continue till the maximum limit, right? So this the pattern will looks like this: 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 4. If 5 is the limit, then 5 5 5, right? Let me do that now in programming. Here same define one method, public static void static, then void m4 method here, m4, right? And here let me pass the argument over here, int x, right? Now to do the number also, here we will do maintain two for loops. One is for maintaining rows and another for loop for maintaining the columns. Here let me start with the int I is equal to 1, I less than equal to x, then I plus plus, right? Yeah, then you just go to the next for loop, that is the inner for loop. Here we will print the numbers, right? Here let me start with the int j is equal to 1, right? So here j less than equal to I, as per the I value will print, right? Then j plus plus, right? Now let me print this I value here so that we can achieve this pattern here. Print ln I, remove this ln here, right? Now just call here our println method to go to the next line, right? Now our program is ready to print the number patterns. Now let me call this method from main method. This is m4 methods, yeah, and I'm passing 10 as the arguments. Now call this method and see the output. Yeah, we got the expected output, right? 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 4 5 5 5 6 6 6 6, like that. It continues till 10 10 10 10 times, right? So here you can see, right? Here I just maximize this. You can see, you have better visibility, right? Okay. Here when I is equal to 1, it will print only once, right, as per the j value, because j less than equal to 1, so it will print 1. Again when I value will be 2, then it will print 2 times. Yeah, I hope you got this program, right? Next we can move to our next pattern, right? That is to print the character in a triangular format, means left right triangle formats will print characters. So how it will look, let me go to the home. Yeah, character, here I'll show you. Yeah, so here it will be, first it will be a, then it will be a b, then it will be a b c, then it will continue till the limit. Like if will give 5, then a b c a b c d a b c d e f, like. To do that, let me create one more method, public static void. Here m5 method will create m5 methods, and here also pass the argument here, int x, right? So as per the x value, this will print the pattern, like x is nothing but the size of pattern, right? Here we'll maintain one character a, because this character we are going to print in our for loop. And here also we'll maintain to for loop. Let's maintain let's do that. For int I equal to 1, I less than equal to x, then I plus plus, I plus plus, right? Then inner for loop by printing the characters. For int j equal to 1, I'll start from the 1, and j is equal to 1, then j less than equal to I, right? J less than equal to I, right? Because as per the I value we are printing this, right? That's why j less than equal to I, then j plus plus. So now let me call this println method, not println, this is print methods. Then call this, means print this variable ch. Ch is nothing but character a, right? So this ch will print a character in the first iterations. Now ch plus plus, because I want to increase this value so that it will be b, c, d, like that. If you increase this value, it will character will also increase, right? So after that let me do one more thing here. Ch is equal to a, right? Because for every row I am starting the character from a onwards, right? A, B, C. Because if I will not keep reassign this ch is equal to a, again it will start from where it got ended in the first row, right? Suppose the first row is ended with a, then it will continue with the second row will continue from the b. I hope you got it. And let me call this method now, m5 methods, and yeah, let me call now pattern programming. Yeah, we got it, right? A, B, C, D, right? In the every row first character is a, right? That's why I reassign that value. I think you have noticed, right? So all programs are all the pattern programs we have done, the basic pattern programs. And if you have any doubt, you can always comment in the videos. I'll try to resolve it at the earliest, right? So yeah, I think that's all. That these many patterns I was thinking to share with you, and there are a lot of remaining patterns as well, but I'll try to resolve those in the next video. Here let me put some information so that you'll get some idea. This is for maintaining the rows, maintaining the rows, right? Then the next inner loop is we are printing the spaces, right? This is for maintaining the spaces, right? Yeah, so then spelling mistake, yeah. So the next for loop will be maintaining the stars. Let me write that here also, maintaining the stars, right? This is the programming, and that's all about today's video. And there are more patterns. I'll try to make one more video there. I'll solve like different type of patterns are also there. I'll try to solve that patterns. Okay, now we can close here. And yeah, thank you very much guys for watching this video. If you like the video, please do subscribe to my channel.